Next knife in this row is this Kunai. And I guarantee you a lot of people don't really know what the true origin is from a kunai knife or a kunai. It's Japanese in origin, and I know a lot of people, everybody probably knows that, but not everybody knows that a kunai is actually a Japanese digging tool. The Japanese way back when used these tools right here to dig dirt, to get in the ground, to maybe plant potatoes, plant seeds. And they didn't quite look like this, but they were similar in shape and in characteristics. They had a hole here, had curved ends here, curved in here, and I put this thing in the middle to kind of give it a little characteristic, a little design. And I mean, it turned out epic. I love this thing, and I get compliments on it all the time. You know, it's really rough around the edges, but from a distance, it looks epic. But yeah, a Japanese kunai is really made for digging in the dirt. And later on, they figured out that they could use these as weapons. And what they did is they would tie a string up here where this hole was. And while they were digging, if somebody messed with them, or during wartime, but maybe before firearms, they would tie a big old long string to this side right here. And before somebody could hurt them or catch them or get to them, they got so good at throwing these knives. You know, it's a throwing knife nowadays, but it first became a digging tool. And they would actually use these tools without sharpening them, because digging in the dirt actually sharpened the tip. All you really needed was a good sharp pointy tip, and you could throw this thing probably plumb through somebody. And with a string attached to it, if you missed them and they were running towards you, you could retrieve it, wind it back up, and throw it again. But yeah, check it out.